How to fix your connection is not private on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about a brand new method, actually two methods through which you guys can actually get rid of this error which says your connection is not private. The process is actually very easy. All that you guys need to do is simply come onto your Chrome dashboard, then click on the top right on these three vertical dots, then click on the settings, and then after that from over here just simply type in the search bar browsing, and then after that simply click on clear browsing data at the bottom. Now once you click on there, it's going to give you the option to basically clear your browsing data. Make sure that you are clearing your data all time and then click on clear data. Now once you have done that, your data is going to be cleared and you will have most probably got rid of the error that says your connection is not private. But if still you guys run into that problem, simply click on the internet, right click on it, click on open network and internet settings, then click on change adapter settings, and then from over here double click on your network adapter, click on details, and you guys can basically see your details over here. Come back, right click, click on properties, then from over here double click on internet protocol version IPv4, then at the bottom click on use the following DNS server address, type in 8888 over here, and then at the bottom simply type in 88 and 4. Now once you've done that, simply click on OK and your problem should definitely be solved by now. So guys, that is how you guys can get rid of the problem which says your connection is not secure on Google Chrome. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.